Hello, my friends. Welcome back to NoPause English Lab. I'm Emma, and I'm really glad you're here. Today, we're talking about something we all do every single day, our morning routine. But here's what makes today different. You're going to hear the same story twice.
First, in simple English. Easy words, slow pace. Perfect if you're just starting out. Then I'll tell you the exact same story again, but this time the way a native speaker would actually say it. By the end, you'll notice something. The ideas are the same, but the language is different. Ready? Let's start with the easy version.
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes and wake up. Sometimes I want to stay in bed for a few more minutes, but I usually get up soon. After I get up, I make my bed. Then I go to the bathroom. First, I wash my face. The cold water helps me feel awake. Next, I brush my teeth. After that, I comb my hair. Then I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee. Sometimes I drink tea instead. I sit down and enjoy my drink. After that, I prepare breakfast. I usually eat something simple. Sometimes I have toast and eggs. Sometimes I have cereal or fruit. While I eat breakfast, I look out the window. Sometimes I check my phone. I read messages from my friends or family. I also check the weather. After breakfast, I clean the dishes. Then I go back to my room. I choose my clothes and get dressed. I put on my shirt, pants, and shoes. Then I get my bag ready. I make sure I have everything I need. I check my phone, my keys, and my wallet. Before I leave the house, I take one last look around. I make sure the lights are off. I make sure the door is locked. Then I leave home. If I drive to work, I get in my car and start driving. If I take the bus or train, I walk to the station. On the way to work, I sometimes listen to music. Sometimes I listen to a podcast. When I arrive at work, I say hello to my coworkers. Then I start my day. This is a simple morning routine. Of course, every day is a little different, but this is what a typical morning looks like for many people.
If you understood all of that, amazing. That's exactly how a beginner should sound. Clear, simple, correct. But now, let's level up. I'm going to tell you the same story again. Same morning, same routine. But this time, listen to how I say it. This is how people actually talk in real life. But before that, if you found this lesson useful, give the video a like. It really helps and lets me know you want more videos like this.
I usually wake up around 7 o'clock and try not to hit the snooze button too many times. Once I'm awake, I get out of bed, make my bed, and head to the bathroom to get ready for the day. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and fix my hair. These small habits help me feel refreshed and ready to start the morning. After that, I go to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. I enjoy taking a few quiet minutes to wake up before the day gets busy. Then I prepare breakfast. I don't usually make anything complicated. Most mornings I eat toast, eggs, fruit, or cereal. While I'm having breakfast, I often check my messages, look at the weather forecast, and see what I need to do that day. Once I'm finished eating, I clean up the kitchen and get dressed for work. Before leaving the house, I make sure I have everything I need, such as my phone, wallet, keys, and work bag. Then I lock the door and begin my commute. Some people drive to work, while others take public transportation. During the trip, many people listen to music, podcasts, or the news. When I arrive at work, I greet my coworkers and take a few minutes to organize my tasks. A good morning routine helps me start the day feeling calm, prepared, and productive. Of course, not every morning goes according to plan. Sometimes I wake up late, spill my coffee, forget something at home, or get stuck in traffic. But even when things don't go perfectly, having a routine makes it easier to stay organized and focused. Okay, did you notice the differences? Let's look at 5 phrases that can help you sound more natural in English. In the beginner version, I said, "When my alarm rings, I open my eyes and wake up." In the natural version, I said, "I try not to hit the snooze button too many times." Hit the snooze button means pressing the button that gives you a few more minutes of sleep before the alarm rings again. This is a phrase native speakers use all the time when talking about mornings. Repeat, "I try not to hit the snooze button too many times." In the beginner version, I said, "I go to the bathroom to get ready for the day." In the natural version, I said, "I head to the bathroom to get ready for the day." Head to is a natural and simple way to say go to. Native speakers use it all the time in daily speech. Repeat, "I head to the bathroom to get ready for the day." In the beginner version, I said, "I sit down and enjoy my drink." In the natural version, I said, "I enjoy taking a few quiet minutes before the day gets busy." This is a natural way to talk about a short, calm moment in your morning. Repeat, "I enjoy taking a few quiet minutes before the day gets busy." In the beginner version, I said, "I check my phone, my keys, and my wallet." In the natural version, I said, "I make sure I have everything I need, such as my phone, wallet, keys, and work bag." The phrase such as is a very common way to give examples. You'll hear it often in everyday conversations. Repeat. Everything I need, such as my phone, wallet, keys, and work bag. In the beginner version, I said, if I drive to work, I get in my car and start driving. And if I take the bus or train, I walk to the station. In the natural version, I said, I lock the door and begin my commute. Commute means traveling from home to work or school. It is a very common word in daily English. Repeat. I lock the door and begin my commute. In the beginner version, I said, of course, every day is a little different. In the natural version, I said, not every morning goes according to plan. But even when things don't go perfectly, these are very common expressions that native speakers use all the time. Life isn't perfect, and sometimes things go wrong. These phrases are a natural way to talk about those situations. Repeat. Not every morning goes according to plan. And, but even when things don't go perfectly. Great job! If you can understand these differences, you're already starting to notice how natural English works.
Okay, now it's your turn. I told you about my morning, but what about you? Try to answer these questions out loud. Don't overthink it. Just say whatever comes to mind first. What time do you usually wake up? Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? What do you usually eat for breakfast? How do you get to work or school? Tell me about your morning routine in the comments below. Nice! You just described part of your morning in English, and that's real practice. That's it for today, my friends. If you want to improve faster, go back and listen to today's video one more time. That repetition is what builds fluency. And if you have ideas for topics you want to practice, leave a comment. We're building this together. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe. Every Monday, we'll do this together. Slow English, then natural English, side by side. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you again here at NoPause English Lab.